Sure. I hope that you're doing well. I'm also doing great and you're practicing well for your French exam. So today I have an amazing surprise for you at the end of this video. Let me just begin this video with another letter, very important letter for your board exam. So make sure that you're preparing it well. And you know the rule by this time. Whatever video you watch, whatever content you see from my channel, all you need to do is take a practice notebook and start writing in that. Okay, so that you are also done with me along with this video. Let's quickly jump into today's video. Écrivez une lettre d'environ 80 mots à votre cousin en décrivant le système politique en France. One of the very important letters for class 10th, which is political system of France. We are also going to cover political system of India, but that's going to come later. Let's just start. So now you know what is the format of the letter. You write the place, you followed with the date. Date is always written with l'article défini, le. Then you write dear. I've written the name of a girl, so it is Cher. Chere, with an accent. So let's start. Merci pour ta lettre dans laquelle tu m'as expliqué le système politique de l'Inde. So thank you for your letter in which you have explained me the political system of India. In this letter, dans cette lettre, je vais te décrire le système politique en France. So in this letter, I'm going to explain you the political system of France. Similarly, if this letter would have been of political system of India, you could have started with the same starting with the same beginning and you would have said it vice versa. So thank you for the letter in which you have explained me the political system of France. In this letter, I'm going to describe you the political system of. If you've written above France, below you can write India. If you've written below India, below you can write France. So endings can be same. Okay, let's begin. Common end. Like in India, le Parlement compose the maison. So in India also we have two houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. In France also we have two houses, Assemblée Nationale. Okay, understand it well. The name of two houses are Assemblée Nationale et la Senate. So these are the names of two houses. Okay. Le membre de l'Assemblée nationale s'appelle les députés. The members of the National Assembly, they are called députés. Les membres du Sénat or the Senate s'appellent les sénateurs. So this is also a very important fact. Les députés, les sénateurs. Okay. So the members who sit in National Assembly, they are called députés. The members who sit in Senate are called sénateurs. Le président de la République est élu. Élu, which verb is élu? Élire. Okay, to elect. The President of Republic is elected for 5 years. How many years? 5 years. Par les citoyens, by the citizens, qui ont plus de 18 ans. Their age should be more than 18 years. Il a beaucoup de pouvoir. He has lot of power. Il travaille et vit au Palais de l'Élysée. He works and lives in Palais de l'Élysée. That's a place where he lives and works. I've not mentioned here, do you remember I told you in one of the letters also that you can include culture in your letter. So I've not written the responsibilities of president. You can even mention that. Okay, there was one of the question of responsibilities of French president. So you can even include that in this letter. Okay, so le président, il a beaucoup de pouvoir. He has a lot of power. Il travaille et vit au Palais de l'Élysée. He works and lives in Palais de l'Élysée. Il nomme le premier ministre et les autres ministres qui forment le gouvernement. So he names the prime minister and the other ministers who form the government. J'espère que tu comprends le système politique de mon pays. Okay, so one person is saying, I hope that you understand the political system of my country. Donne mes salutations à tes parents. Give my greetings to your parents. So similarly, these last two lines can be included in any of the political system. Okay, so this is how I have also not mentioned here the name of the Prime Minister and President of France. You can even include that. Make sure while you're writing the letters, culture and civilization is on tips, because even if you forget few lines, you can always go back and include the answers of culture and civilization in your letters. It's definitely going to help you. Okay, so this was about today's letter, political system of France. Soon we are also going to do political system of India. Keep doing the letters. I have made a separate list of playlist of letters. Okay, and now it's time for the surprise. Okay, I have been checking all your comments on my videos, and there were few videos in which you were asking me to give you French worksheets. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I've planned something for you. I'm going to run a marathon related to French grammar. Okay, I will be sharing the details shortly related to the same, but French marathon in which I will be sharing so many worksheets with you. Do take the help of those worksheets, because they're all coming from my 10 years of experience. Okay, so I will be making those worksheets from all the question papers that I receive from so many schools. And the worksheet is specially designed for you, for your practice. Make best use of it. Okay, till we meet next time in the next video, bon chance. Do write it, put it down in the comments below if you have any doubts. I would love to answer all of them. Bon chance, au revoir.